Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're exploring hydroponics for growing leaf lettuce. We'll introduce a simple home system and discuss the benefits of faster growth and less pest management. Let's get started. Hydroponics is soil-free gardening using a nutrient-rich water solution. Here's a simple setup. First, the materials needed. A hydroponic container, water pump, air stone, net pots, and nutrient solution. Next, the setup. Fill the container with water, add the nutrient solution, and place the net pots with lettuce plants. Ensure roots touch the water. Finally, lighting. Provide 12 to 16 hours of light daily using a bright window or grow lights. Hydroponic gardening offers several fantastic benefits. First, there's faster growth. For instance, hydroponically grown lettuce can mature up to 25% faster. Then there's space efficiency. It's ideal for small spaces and urban gardening. Lastly, there's reduced pests. Soilless growing reduces pest and disease risks. Hydroponics is a great way to grow fresh, healthy lettuce year-round. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy gardening!